In this video, I'll show you how to set up environment variables in a Bolt app. First, open your Bolt project and make sure your application is ready to use environment variables for sensitive information like API keys, database URLs, or authentication tokens. Next, open your project settings and look for the environment variables or secrets section. This is where you can securely store values that shouldn't be hard-coded into your application. Now, click Add Variable or New Secret. Enter the variable name, such as AP_key or database_URL, then paste the corresponding value into the value field. Save your changes when you're finished. After that, return to your application and reference the environment variables in your code using the method supported by your project or framework. This allows your app to access the stored values securely without exposing them in your source code. Next, restart or refresh your development environment if required so your application loads the new environment variables. Test the feature that uses the variables to make sure everything is working correctly. Finally, continue adding any additional environment variables your app needs, and remember to keep sensitive values private by storing them only in the environment variables section instead of directly in your code. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up environment variables in a Bolt app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.